Alright, hi guys. So right now today I want to talk about my Klaiyi hair, honey. I want to talk about it. So let's talk about it, okay? So I'm wearing 26 inches of Indian straight closure, 3 bundles. So 3 bundles and a closure. The longest one is 26 inches. No, oh right, here's someone fix. No, when I say fix, there's a bump because how I sewed it. And there's a wig cap that I use. So I'm going to slit this left. Excuse me, and then sew it in, like to kind of grab it to get rid of that bump. So that's what I'm going to be doing. The closure, I did not bleach the closure. You guys almost can see that, but I didn't bleach it. But from afar is my bad, but he's gonna get our clothes and he's on Tumbao. That was on Tumbao. But yeah, I've worked with Klaiyi hair before. The hair is gorgeous. I flat ironed this hair yesterday. 26 inches. You guys know I love me some long hair, honey. Like the longer the better, and thank you very much. Okay, won't go long. This video was meant to be only 10 minutes, but I'm a mama, so I was back and forth talking to John thinking he being rude, so I was back and forth doing that. And I was showing y'all things on YouTube and stuff, so it just got out of hand. But it literally takes me like what 10 minutes, mama, to get my face burnt so big to the gods. Like on that one, enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Klaiyi here, you know I love you, honey. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Alright, guys. So again, I'm wearing my Klaiyi hair, my Indian straight, and I'm just pinning it. Is this gonna work? I'm just pinning it back, and I'm actually going to be doing a video, my little 15 or 10-second video. Let's see if I can do that. So I'm gonna start up by doing my brows. Oh God, oh my mirror. Oh God.
What are you looking for?
My mirror.
Mirror.
Yeah. Alright, so I want to start up by saying, oh my God, this journey to perfect lace is so difficult. Yo, I've been watching videos upon videos upon videos. So I know, I mean, they make it look so easy. I'm telling you right now, honey, they make it look so easy. And I'm like, oh, I just need to do that. But plucking the lace is extremely, it's strategic. Well, in my experience, like I can't just pluck from anywhere. I might let me in. Yeah, I can't just pluck from anywhere. Like when I'm plucking the lace, I have to pluck strategically. So honey, I'm still plucking this lace, but what I did not do was bleach the knots. Now this one girl, I keep on her videos keep on coming up because her thumbnails are just every one of the wigs that she has done, she has she bleached the knots, and I'm at myself, man, after bleaching knots. Plus I'm gonna go watch this next girl, and she gonna use LA Pro concealer. I'm gonna crop me up LA Pro concealer. I'm gonna say, you know, more my method. But for the youths them, you know what I mean? Like the youths them want to look snatched, but them not have the snatch up money. You know what I mean? But girl, it's looking as if you have to bleach the knots. So let me see if I can find no baby hairs. So I was watching her video, and in all her videos, homegirl bleaches the knots. They bleach the knots. Anyway, medium from this LA Girl Pro Contour Cream, and I'm going to be using the darker color. I've been using the Color Pop one for a couple of weeks now, like since I've had it, but it's just too creamy. I don't have that much control over it, and it's not ideal for when I'm rushing. So when I'm rushing to do my brows, I go for a cream and not liquid, because the liquids tend to go all over the place, so you have to be a bit more precise. But the creams is not as serious, honey. See? Brows be done in. And this brush I'm using is actually from Juvia's Place. They had this liner thing, this gel liner, and this is a brush that came into, it's like a duo type of thing. And it's a brush that came in it, and I've been using this brush to do my brows, honey, because I love how thick it is and how broad, not thick, how broad it is. So yeah, this is gonna be, and it's probably gonna be 12 minutes or so, but that's because I was talking, you know. But this is gonna be simple face. The thing that will take the most of the time for this look is your hair if it keeps getting in the way, and the thing that will take the most time in this look is actually, I'll pop off this, is actually your brows. And the way how I do my brows is time consuming. I have a friend named Chantel. I love how she does her brows. She doesn't sculpt them as how I sculpt them. I love how she does her brows. I always admire how she does her brows, and I can't do it. If you guys know Kendall, if you're Jamaican, you know Kendall. You know Ken. Can I bad blood cleanse girl, bad girl, baddest girl. So her too, how she does her brows and her clients' brows. I'm like, oh, show me your ways. It looks neat. So this is how I do mine, and it's uneven already. Alright. Yes, you see this is more squared. The other one is a bit more rounded. So let me go ahead and see if I can round this up. No, I'm not. Let me go under here. See if I can at least level it. Jonathan, don't tell us you must go lie down on the bed. Why not when on the bed and lie down? Go lie down on the bed and go watch your stuff on your iPad.
Oh, I never watch it on my iPad.
No, you don't watch anything on the iPad, so go on the bed and go and watch your iPad. Alright, so now that's done. What you can do now, oh, I'm at 6 minutes, hold on. Yeah, so what you can do now is you can go ahead and apply a primer, but I'm not going to because I'm just doing this for this video. And then after this, I'm literally going to wash my face off, so I'm not going to apply a primer. Okay. Excuse me, this is my second skin foundation in Perfect Bronze from Sasha Cosmetics, and I actually have another foundation, but do you realize a little bit left in this? I'm gonna say sure. Now if you look at my skin, I'm breaking out. I know, it's sad. But anyway, now my skin, honey, is I'm breaking out on these areas, side. So I'm going to apply my foundation on those areas, and then I'm going to work it in. Now I still, Lord God, the foundation is done. Now I still love full coverage foundations. Don't get it twisted, honey. I love me some full coverage foundation. But I find that it doesn't necessarily have to be full coverage, because like the powders can probably take up where the foundation left off. So see? And I'm using the Marc Jacobs Face 2 brush, the most expensive brush I own in my collection. This brush at the time was $70. I don't know if it has increased or decreased. Now this look is strictly for work, if you want like a nice 10-minute face, and this is going to take less than 10 minutes. But I may chat so much. But I like doing videos where I don't have, this is it. You see videos where I'm talking, it's easier for me to edit, I realize, because I trust myself in what I'm saying. So I just piece the clips together, add some transitions, and then I send it off. You see me? People always talking about the music that I play and I only feature one artist. That's because it's gospel, and that's the music I primarily listen to, gospel music. And also the artist, sorry, my turn on my eye, excuse me, sorry about that. And the artist that I always feature is DAJ. He sounds like Assassin, but it's not Assassin, but him and Assassin, they're good friends. But anyway, so the artist is DAJ, and so I always feature his songs because his songs don't get me copywritten. But somebody told me that I could go into some YouTube something and get some royalty free music. I forgot what the person had said. I'm gonna have to look back on the comment. But yeah, so I'm just blending this out. Now it's if I had bleached the lace, you guys would have been seeing this. Ah, so bummed out, but now I know. Now I know. Alright, so when I did this look, what I did, I got to set my beauty blender, damp beauty blender, and I'm going to get my Sasha Buttercup in white. I mean, the beauty blender doesn't have to be damp, but mine is damp, and I'm going to highlight with it. Now there are pros and cons to this, and I'm going to discuss it after. I want to see if you can tell me what the cons are. Now again, this is not makeup for like photo shoot or anything like that. It's just makeup if you're on the rush, if you're rushing, if you're on your way to work and I want to look have a little bit of a difference, and not necessarily the whole contouring step. Yeah, I'm nearing 10 minutes, which is so unfair, because no, when I title this 10 minutes, y'all are gonna say, bitch, it ain't no 10 minutes, you lying hoe, like 12 or 13. But you guys see how much time I had to stop and readjust and all those good stuff. So now I'm going with my face powder. This is Perfect Spice, again from Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, down Instagram, so you can check them out. Perfect Spice over the brush. Then I go tap off the brush into the cover, put this all over my face. Now when I did this look, I won't say yet, let me know if you guys can tell, if you know what the con is. Oh my god, my hair is in the wind. Zamar, are you okay? What's wrong? So what happened? Why you can't watch Peppa Pig? Alright, come, let me try and fix it for you. Alright, the con is, I just think it looks ashy. Wait a minute, gone. So this is Buttercup. I'm just gonna set my brow bone area with. Why you keep on deleting it when I put it on it for you?
I'm sorry.
No, don't tell me that you're sorry. Tell me why. Why do you keep on deleting it? Why?
Why?
Yes.
Because it's always fighting.
What do you mean by it's always fighting? What is always fighting? Jonathan, Caleb has nothing to do with you deleting the app from your iPad. Why keep on deleting YouTube from your iPad? Why keep on deleting it?
Deleting it?
Yes, you deleted it. Why?
Because whenever my daddy can't fix it back.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to be low lighting with Perfect Bronze. Oh my gosh, I told you I've gone probably 12 minutes. This doesn't take that long, you guys. My only con with this is that it just makes my skin look ashy, and because my skin is going through a lot right now, you guys, I'm having so much breakouts. It's very, very frustrating. It's very frustrating. So I'm done. This is everything that I do. So you can add lashes if you want to, mascara. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and apply some black eyeliner and some mascara. Okay. I'm not fixing it. I fixed it for you the last time. I tell me that you couldn't watch Peppa Pig, and I fix it for you, and then I still delete YouTube, and I tell you not to delete it, but you don't want to listen. I'm so deal with you. I'm so deal with you. Yes. Remember, you never delete it again. Jonathan, you keep on deleting it. And I keep on telling you not to delete it. And you keep on deleting it. So I'm going to come deal with you. Because you want me to deal with it. So I'm going to come deal with you. Alright, you guys. This is it. Let me turn the fan off. Because the fan is blowing this hair all over, honey. But this is the look. You can add your lip gloss, your lipstick. Oh, look at this hair. I flat ironed this yesterday. And I just put it down and look at it. You guys, I'm telling you, Klaiyi hair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Klaiyi hair. They got some. They have a good one. Oh gosh, I'm going to have to bleach this closure for it to lay or look how I want it to look. Again, 26 inches. I feel like the front of my right here looks a little bit ashy, like powder. No, you don't have to use the white like I use. You can use Buttercup or like a more just like one shade lighter than you are type powder. But this is what I chose to do. You can highlight if you want, whatever. But I chose to low light primarily because I'm filming. But yeah. Oh my God. So I'm wearing one earring because Jonathan said he bought this one for me and I shouldn't take it off. So I'm wearing one earring. So yeah. But yeah. So this is it. This is the look. Promise you it's 10 minutes or less. The most time I'm going to spend is your brows. And that takes me like 3 to 4 minutes, you know. But other than that, this is the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Klaiyi hair. Your hair is absolutely wonderful. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. And I love you guys. Okay. Bye.